Welcome to Jamila's Kitchen. Today, my son Tame and I are going to be making the easiest peanut butter cookies. First ingredient is 1 egg. Go ahead and crack that egg, Tame. Now this is Tame's first time cracking an egg. Let's see how it goes. Next, add in the 1 cup of peanut butter. Keep on mixing, Tame. Mommy, it's like this. No, Mommy, it's like this. The last ingredient Tame is going to add is 1 cup of sugar. Go ahead and add it, Tame. Okay, buddy, like this, like this. There we go. Mix, mix, mix. Look, Mommy, I'm mixing. Please, Mommy, okay? Please. I got this. See how Mommy is mixing the dough? Yes, Tame. Yes. You're right. Of course. Absolutely, Tame. Yep. Keep going. This is Tame's dough after he chilled it for about 15 minutes. Our chef's looking a little tired there, but he's alert more than ever. Okay, just like this, roll out some small peanut butter balls. Watch Mommy. Thanks, Chef Tame. You're so helpful. Once Chef Tame and I finish rolling these peanut butter balls, we're going to chill them for just a little bit. Chef Tame, can you stop playing with the camera equipment? Chef Tame? Chef Tame. We are going to take the chilled peanut butter. Okay, never mind. Tame decided to just throw them all at once. That's fine. Okay, Mommy, now you're going to make some hashtag signs. See that? Go ahead, make your own hashtag. So we can get people to look at our channel, Mommy. Make some hashtags. Bake cookies at 350 for 6 to 8 minutes. While we wait for the cookies to bake, Tame is cleaning after himself. Good job, Mommy. Thanks, Tame, for these delicious peanut butter cookies. For watching Jamila's Kitchen. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and ring that bell for me too.